Welcome to a journey of transforming reliability through the power of AI, innovative design, and human insight. Join us as we explore how these elements come together to revolutionize industries and enhance performance. When machines fail, the ripple effect can be devastating for organizations. It's not just about lacking data, it's about missing the subtle signs before a failure occurs. By listening early, we can prevent surprises and mitigate risks. Allow me to introduce myself, Dibyenduda, with over 45 years of excellence in advancing reliability and maintenance across various industries. As the founder of RGB Waves, I bring global credentials and a wealth of experience to tackle industrial challenges. Despite advancements in technology, failures still catch us off guard. We measure late, act late, and learn late. Our approach shifts the focus from reactive firefighting to proactive foresight, preventing costly mistakes and enhancing industry performance. Our signature approach combines physics-based insight, AI-enabled foresight, and human diagnostic intuition. This powerful blend ensures right diagnosis, right time, and right action, preventing failures and optimizing operations. We offer unique frameworks like the NEME Diagnostic Framework and Fretalism Physical Route Engine. These are not just methodologies, they transform how teams understand, predict, and prevent failures, fostering world-class diagnostic thinking. Our AI platforms, including Indus Web and Rapid AI, are designed to optimize machine availability and performance. These tools provide insights and analytics that drive efficiency and reliability in operations. Our solutions deliver significant outcomes, including 10-100x ROI improvement, increased availability and MTBF, and up to 50% cost reduction. By preventing failures, we enhance safety margins, strengthen reliability culture, and sustain competitive advantage. We work with a diverse range of industries, from steel and metals to power generation and manufacturing. Trusted by industry leaders, RGB Waves drives sustainable operational excellence and reliability transformation across sectors. Our engagement model includes consultative diagnostics, reliability leadership training, and design and innovation reviews. We ensure comprehensive knowledge transfer, empowering teams to optimize budgets and capabilities. With nearly 5 decades of industry leadership, RGB Waves has improved over 250 plants and trained over 1,000 engineers. Our broad-ranging case studies and global perspective make us a recognized authority in reliability engineering. RGB Waves contributes to India's national strength through specialized reliability engineering for critical defense applications. We focus on defense systems reliability, whole vehicle CRM, and predictive readiness to maintain operational readiness and reduce life cycle costs. Imagine if your machines could speak. They constantly communicate through vibrations, temperatures, and pressures. Are you listening? Let's build a future with reliable operations, confident decisions, and sustainable performance, free from surprises. Thank you for joining us on this journey of reliability transformation. I am Dibyenduda, and I look forward to collaborating with you to achieve excellence in reliability engineering. Feel free to reach out for more information.